Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix the memory could not be written error in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Wait the process up to 100% complete. Second method is type memory diagnostic in Windows search bar, click memory diagnostic. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.